Hey there, China. Well, over the last couple of days, we've seen a lot of rain fall, about 2 inches of rain just throughout the last couple of days, over the last 48 hours or so. And because of those heavy downpours that we have been seeing, our areas, rivers, and streams have been on the rise. And earlier today, the rising waters claimed at least one life out here along Johnson Creek. Johnson Creek is one area that is known to see a quick rise in water levels after heavy rainfall.
Right now, it's too unsafe for any rescuer to enter the water, and we're going to have to let the waters recede a little bit before we continue on with any sort of efforts.
Rick Graves with Portland Fire and Rescue saw firsthand how dangerous these waters can be. Monday morning, they received a call about a person who was swept away from the strong current near the Tacoma overpass in the Selwood area.
The water is moving very quickly. We have swift water rescue or swift waters occurring. You've got lots of logs down creating these strainers, much like the pasta colander you have at home. Water flows through, hard matter doesn't.
The conditions even proved to be too dangerous for crews who were trying to search for the missing person.
We had members of the Clackamas County Fire Department Swift Water Team actually flip their vehicle, their craft. They were all safe. They trained for this. This is something that we're all ready for.
Along the Willamette River, water levels have quickly been climbing the last couple of days.
It can be dodgy because the current really is very strong. The current's running fast right now.
It's also running fast along the Sandy River.
The melt off of the mountain helps it a lot because this comes right down from Mount Hood, the Sandy River. So that helps it rise.
With heavy rain in the forecast, these river levels are expected to climb over the next couple of days. And now at China, a crew with the Multnomah County Sheriff's Office will come back out to the Johnson Creek area to recover that body. The name of that person has not been released just yet, but again, they're waiting for conditions to improve, and like Matt has been saying, those conditions won't improve until the next couple of days. Reporting in Southeast Portland tonight, Joe Ranieri, KGW News.